Early participation in Bitcoin initiatives may be profitable. Investors who purchased Bitcoin, or BTC, in 2011 are now reaping the advantages of their investment. They discovered something new, realized its possibilities, and persisted. With the expanding global use of cryptocurrencies comes a new fundraising platform, the Crypto Launchpad. Launchpads enable crypto investors to find and invest in early-stage cryptocurrency ventures before they are publicly listed. As a result, individuals may purchase tokens at a lower cost and benefit more as their value rises. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. While you are already here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video. Despite market instability that saw Bitcoin decline from $60,000 to roughly $35,000, Ether or ETH fall 40%, and Dogecoin or Doge plummet 45% in recent years, crypto has witnessed a considerable growth in popularity. Regulation is also being pushed harder, with the Biden administration considering moves to regulate Bitcoin. Despite these developments, Bitcoin interest is at an all-time high. Crypto launchpads may provide the ideal venue for investors and the general public looking for the next great thing. Launchpads enable crypto project creators to raise exposure and cash for their businesses at a cheap cost. Furthermore, launchpads provide a safe venue for investors and creators to find and communicate with one another. What is a crypto launchpad? A crypto launchpad, also known as a crypto incubator, is a platform built on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, where crypto ventures are presented and funded. Early-stage crypto token sales are made available to the project's crypto investors before they are publicly publicized. Investors perceive this as an excellent opportunity to profit from a future price increase by purchasing tokens at a cheap cost and selling them at a profit later. Because the platform's startup costs are so low, it can attract more crypto ventures for investment. New entrepreneurs will benefit from the site as well, as they will have easier access to a pool of Bitcoin investors and fans looking for the next interesting idea. Several new currencies and projects were created in 2021, during the pinnacle of the bull market, with investors pouring money into them. Nevertheless, several were frauds, and many people lost money because they had the necessary expertise or time to examine the projects. Trusted crypto launchpads, on the other hand, do due diligence on behalf of users and investors, which is another reason for their rising popularity. New projects are subjected to rigorous screening, with a third party engaged to complete Know Your Customer (KYC) verification on new users, therefore protecting both founders and investors. How does a crypto launchpad work? There are platforms that link Bitcoin initiatives and interested groups. Launchpads assist entrepreneurs in raising funds from potential customers and investors, while also providing investors with the opportunity to optimize their return on investment. Transparency and security are two important characteristics that attract investors. When a user creates a new account, they are often subjected to a KYC procedure to verify their identity. This technique also makes it more difficult for someone to exploit the system by doing transactions under many aliases. Each crypto launchpad will feature its own collection of hand-picked cryptocurrency projects, as well as their present state. Important information regarding these projects, such as the price and start date, should be available to interested investors. Investors will also be able to acquire certain tokens once they are available for purchase. Token sales on crypto launchpads, like blockchains, enable transparency and make it simple to trace the distribution mechanism for each token. This allows retail investors to participate in early-stage tokens. It also encourages investors to distribute tokens evenly and inhibits pump-and-dump strategies. What are the benefits of crypto launchpads? Launchpads are useful for connecting Bitcoin projects and investors. Among the other advantages are the following. Low fees. Some launchpads only charge a nominal fee, while others don't charge anything for listings. Some launchpads make it quick and easy to start a project by lowering the barriers to entry. Security. Launchpads vet both users and projects thoroughly, safeguarding everyone involved. It's also unlikely that a breach would occur because investors have absolute ownership of their assets, and launchpads do not store user funds. No waiting period. Tokens are available immediately after purchase without needing a processing period. What did you learn from today's video? If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to leave the question in the comment section below. See you in the next video with some more crypto news and information. Until then, take care and keep investing in crypto.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.